Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get card mastery fast in Clash Royale. Card mastery is a fantastic feature that rewards you for using your favorite cards in battle. You can earn valuable resources such as gold, gems, and wild cards, along with special badges to showcase your skill. To begin your mastery journey, you need to reach King Level 7, then win 5 battles with any card to unlock its specific tasks. Every card in Clash Royale features multiple mastery tiers, usually 3 sets of 3 distinct tasks. These challenges range from winning a certain number of battles to dealing specific amounts of damage, or even unique objectives tailored to each card's abilities. For instance, common cards unlock mastery at levels 7, 10, and 14, while champion cards unlock at levels 12 and 13. Focus on these tasks to progress efficiently. To speed up your mastery progress, consider playing special game modes that offer boosted elixir, such as 2 times or 3 times elixir challenges. These modes allow you to cycle through your cards much faster. Building a dedicated cycle deck around the card you want to master is also highly effective. Additionally, adopting a more offensive playstyle, even if it means trading towers, will help you complete damage-related tasks more quickly. Completing mastery tasks provides excellent rewards, including thousands of gold, valuable wild cards, and 100 gems for each regular card's mastery tier. Champion cards also now grant 100 gems per tier. To maintain consistent progress, regularly check your mastery tab and rotate cards in your deck. This ensures you are always working towards new objectives and continuously earning those valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.